This is a race for Runes and Darren. See who has the fastest. This is mine. Mine is just resting right now, but yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that shit's slow as hell. All right, come back. Come back. Ready, set, go. Almost fell, bro. Okay. That only if the stick didn't break yesterday, could have been driving doing this. They have some at the gas station, don't they? No, the ones you hold like this. That's where my don't got mine.